Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to solve Leetcode problem number 766 Toeplitz Matrix. So this is an easy problem. Now let's move on to the problem description. So we are given a matrix m times n, which means that this matrix is not square. It could be a rectangular matrix anyway, and we need to return true if the matrix X is Toeplitz. If not, we return false. So what is a Toeplitz matrix? So in a Toeplitz matrix, every diagonal from top left to bottom right has the same element. So this is one diagonal and this has the same element, which is equals to 1. This is another diagonal, it has the same element, and this has the same element. So let me just show you how we could start problem solving. So this is at index 0 0, so we know 0 0 to make diagonal elements equal, we just need to equate both the indices are same. So 0 0 1 1 1 2, right? Sorry, this is 2 2, so all of these are equal, right? And again, we also need to check if other diagonal elements are equal or not. So this is 0 1, it should be equals to 0 2 1 2, which should be equals to 2 and 3. And also here 0 sorry, this is a 1 0 1 0 should be equals to 2 1. And similarly 2 0 should be equals to its diagonal element, since there is no other element, so this is where we end. And so for this one also 0 2 should be equals to 1 3. Now what are we doing here? We are equating all of these, and then this one, and then this one. We are trying to see if these are equal. So what we could do is we could start iterating from first row and second row. So we could check if are these two equal. If not, then we return false. If yes, then we check for the next element, are these two equal, and then we check for the next element, are these two equal, and then we check this with itself, because it doesn't have any other element. So we just check this one with and then we end there. Next we check are these two equal, and then check these two diagonal elements, these two diagonal elements, and then we end here, end it here. Next we check this, so we do not have any other elements, so we just end here. So what are we doing is we start our iteration from I equals to 1. So we start from the second row, and then we also start from j equals to 1. And then what we do for second row, we check each of the elements. So we check for j equals to 1 is equals to ij equals to I minus 1 j minus 1, which is 1 1 is equals to 0 0. Next what we do is we increment j, so now j becomes 2. So now we check 1 2 is equal to I minus 1 and j minus 1 again, which is 0 1. So we check 1 2, which is this element, is equals to 0 1, this one, and so on. We keep on iterating until we reach the last index of j. So we only check until 3, where j should be less than n, the size of the column. Similarly, I should be less than m, which is the size of the row. And next time I is equals to 2. So when I is equals to 2, we again start with j equals to 1. So we see if I minus 1 j minus 1 equals to ij. So it means that 1 0 equals to 1. Is that true? So we need to show 1 0 equals to 1, right? So that is what we do. We keep iterating, and then finally we reach our answer. So let me just code it quickly. Okay. Is not equal, we check. If it's not equal, we check for the case if it's not equal, and then we return false. So we just end it there, else we return true. And the time complexity is O of n times n, because we have two loops, one over the each row and one over each of the columns. And the space complexity is O of 1, because we are not using any array or map or list or anything of that sort. So yeah, thank you everyone for watching my video. Hope you liked it.